Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make a custom shoutout command. Before we begin, make sure that you're logged into your Twitch account. Also, make sure that your Twitch account is connected. Go to Commands and add a new custom command. First, we have to set the trigger. Here I would go with !shoutout, well SO, but you can literally do whatever feels correct for your stream. For description, I would do something like gives a shout out. This will display on the command list webpage. Then we have cooldowns. There's the global cooldown and the user cooldown. Global means it affects everyone. So if someone triggers a command, no one else can trigger that command for that amount of time. If it's just user, that means that specific user that triggered the command can't do it for a specific amount of time. Because I'll set it that only my mods and me can use it, I'll actually leave it to 0 for both. If you want, you can send a chat message. It'll tell you how long the cooldown will still run. For shoutouts, I usually turn that off. The stats tell you how often the command has been used, off and on stream. Let's move on to restriction. Here, you can literally choose what kind of restriction you want. As you can see, there's a long list of different restrictions you can use. I suggest you go through them and read all of them to decide what you actually want. I will go with permission, so you can have different roles, for example, only the streamer and moderator. I actually set my permission only for the streamer and the moderators because I don't want any other people using my shoutout, but you can decide that individually for yourself. You can choose that the bot actually sends a message in chat to say you do not meet the needed requirements. If you want to, you can also decide to ignore a certain account, for example, the streamer account, the bot account, or any whispers. Now let's go to effects and search for chat. This one is so you can actually have a chat message appear in your Twitch chat for the shoutout. Then you can decide if you want to have the message sent as a streamer or as the bot. I prefer the bot. If you don't have a bot connected, that's fine. You can also use the streamer. Now it comes to the message. Let's type something like go check out and then the target, which is the streamer that we're talking about, add. Then I will put in the Twitch URL and at the end do again $target. This is the variable that gets that specific target. And then you can save the settings. So now if you do a shout out in chat, you'll actually get a chat message back. Even with the little icon, usually it takes a while to load, but usually even with the little icon of that person. So that way you can do shoutouts customized for everyone you want. Also feel free to customize the text the way you want it.